It's time for Altenew Flower of the Month. Post your projects on Instagram with the hashtag Altenew Flower of the Month for a chance to win one of 3 $30 gift certificates to the Altenew store. The more projects you create, the more chances you have to win. This month we are featuring violets and pansies, the February birth flowers. Both pansies and violets are in the genus Viola. They have sunny, uplifted flowers with face-like petals. As the flowers have a beautiful scent, they have been used for perfumes by the ancient Greeks and wine by the Romans. Don't forget to check our featured Altenew products for this challenge. Our design team members have created tons of beautiful projects on our blogs and YouTube channel that you can check out for inspiration. We also have some suggested theme challenges for you to try with the Altenew Flower of the Month. We can't wait to see the beautiful paper crafting projects you create with these breathtaking flowers. Are you ready to get started? Ready, set, craft.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!